Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the IKEA Dishwasher error code I30. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, usually the error itself indicates that there might be some internal leakage in your dishwasher. So this code is triggered by the dishwasher's flooding system. Now, what we need to do here is we want to do a few steps. So, find the tap that supplies the water on your dishwasher and basically turn it off. This prevents any additional water from entering these appliance while you do, or in this case, while you work on it. Next is you want to open the dishwasher's right panel to access the internal components. Look inside for any signs of leakage, and if you find any leaks, you'll need to repair them to resolve the issue. Also, switch off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power supply. Open the dishwasher door and unscrew the two screw caps, one at the front and one at the rear of the appliance. This will help you access the internal parts. Now, use the built-in adjusters to lift the front and rear legs of the dishwasher. Tilt the appliance backwards slightly to drain any water that has collected at the base. Now, find the anti-flood stem switch, which is usually located directly above the styrofoam float inside the dishwasher. Now, check the switch for any issues and repair it if necessary. This system helps you detect and prevent leaks, so fixing it can resolve the error. Now, from then on, attach the right panel, secure the screws, and adjust the dishwasher back into its casing. Now plug the dishwasher back in, turn the water supply, and run a test cycle to ensure the error code I30 no longer appears. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.